Think about this for a moment. How can a simple everyday vegetable like an onion help combat common health issues? Sounds intriguing, right? Well, onions are more than just a kitchen staple. They're a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of onions. First on the list, onions act as a potent weapon against heart disease. They're packed with antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol levels. This, in turn, lowers heart disease risk. Now that's a heart-healthy option to consider. Moving on, onions can help control blood sugar. They are rich in chromium, a mineral that helps regulate blood sugar. So including onions in your diet can be beneficial for people grappling with diabetes or pre-diabetes. Thirdly, onions are a boon for bone health. They have a certain peptide called GPCS, which has shown to slow bone loss. If you're worried about osteoporosis, onions might just be the answer. Next up, onions boost digestive health. They are a good source of fiber and prebiotics, which are necessary for optimal gut health. Prebiotics found in onions promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which contributes to improved digestion and overall health. Onions also shine in the realm of immunity. They contain vitamin C and phytochemicals which stimulate the action of the immune system, helping your body to fend off diseases and infections. Lastly, onions offer benefits for eye health. They are rich in sulfur, which is important for the production of a protein called keratin, necessary for our hair and nails. But did you know that sulfur also protects our eyes and helps in the production of a protein called glutathione? This protein acts as an antioxidant for our eye lenses, keeping them healthy. In a nutshell, onions are a treasure trove of health benefits. They guard your heart, control blood sugar, bolster bone health, boost digestive health, enhance immunity, and even protect your eyes. So the next time you shed a tear while chopping an onion, remember, it's a small price to pay for the wealth of health it brings to your table. So don't underestimate the humble onion. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health enhancer too.